Yan. Part 2, guys. Sino ako naman, guys? I just woke up from a dream, and you and I had to say goodbye. Whenever you go, there's will I follow. Nobody promised tomorrow. So I'ma love you every night. Night's the last night. Night's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Ooh. If the party was over, and that's when on earth was through. Ooh. I wanna hold you. Eto na pala. Just for a while. And then, so ito yung gagamitin ko pang tape later. So, bigyan natin siya. Uy. Okay pala. Kanta pa ako ng kanta. Hindi naman magandang boses. Tanggalin mo ito. Wait lang. Tanggalin mo na. Dito ba talaga? Dito talaga. Yan yung white. Kaya mag-cover mo na yung video ah. Ito lang guys. Ayusin ko lang. Go, open mo. Open mo. Open mo lang. So, open mo. Tanggalin mo. Tanggalin mo, be. Tanggalin mo kasi. Buka ka ng keychain dyan. Pa ba yung keychain? Ano yung keychain dyan? Yung pin ko yan. Ano pa? Clip. Yan, clip. Yan, clip. Yan. Yan. Dalawa. Dito clip. Kaso nga lang hindi yan clip. So, ikaw lang mag-ayos. Wait lang guys. Ako magkukuha. Ikaw maglalagay. Ito, bibigay ko. Take order to. Okay, go. Joy with us now. If the world was ending. Guys, I have a small bag. Magdadakji kami later. Magdadakji dito, be. Blue at orange nga lang. Okay lang, mukhang red sa akin. Guys, dakji tayo. Bukas na natin magdadakji. Hala, bukas pa raw. Wait lang, kukuha ako hapon. Kunin mo to. Kunin mo yan. Yan. Pasok mo. Tapos, ako na bibigay sa'yo. Baka masugatan ka pa dito eh. Masakit to.